Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of our printing business tutorials and tips. So guys, nandito ka ngayon sa aking video because you want to know or you want to get some ideas on how to start your printing business. By the way, I just started my physical store here or my printing business here, and I want to share with you the tips na aking ginawa before ko po in-execute ang aking plan. So guys, I will give you 6 basic tips tonight, and I am hoping that you will learn something from it. So let's begin. Hindi po ako eksperto sa larangang ito. Ang lahat ng aking sasabihin ay base lamang sa aking nalalaman at opinyon. Maraming salamat po. Alright guys, so sa pagsisimula pong ng negosyo, marami po tayong dapat na i-consider. Hindi lang dito sa printing business na industry, but sa different kinds of business. So, we need to know our capital, yung knowledge natin, or yung skills natin, or yung mga target market, and many more. So, guys, today, I will give you 6 tips. Isa-isahin po natin yan kung ano ang ating dapat gawin bago natin simulan ang ating plans. Okay? So, for this one, so let's talk about printing, and I am hoping na meron kayong matutunan. Alright, so let's start with my first tip. You need to do a lot of research. Okay, guys? So, yan. So, it's very common na sa business talaga, kailangan po nating mag-research. You need to get an idea or overview sa printing business, such as the materials needed, the pricing. You need to educate yourself on this kind of industry. So we can use different kinds of resources, guys. So you can ask your friends. We have the internet. Yan, i-google lang natin sila. We have videos sa YouTube na yan mismo yung ginawa ko. I educate myself by watching YouTube videos. So guys, you need to do research. Anything that you can search about printing business. So educate yourself, guys. So you need to get an overview. You need to know some of the basics on the printing industry. Right, so after mo pong mag-research, dapat nyo din pong i-assess ang inyong self. So number 2 na tip po ay you need to know the basic, or you should have the basic knowledge on softwares. Okay, so tayo po ay magpe-printing business, right? So we really need to use our computers like this one. So dapat po guys, meron tayong basic knowledge ng software such as yung Word. Yan, kung paano mag-print, 'di ba? So nandito tayo sa printing business, so we need to know basic softwares like Microsoft Word, Photoshop, like ganung mga bagay, guys, how to print. Ayan, so if you lack those skills as of the moment, you can learn, guys. So there are many resources that we can use. Again, so we have the internet, and by watching videos, if you are a visual learner, or we have many information on Google. Okay, so guys, let's have that one first. You need to know some, or the basic lang. Hindi naman necessary na expert mo nang gawin yan. So basic knowledge lang on how to print because we are here in the printing industry. Based on my experience, guys, so alam ko na yung basic knowledge on how to print documents or how to print pictures. May konting alam ako doon, but as time goes by na palagi mo na siyang inaaral, I of course malalaman mo na rin yung higher level ng mga kailangan doon sa mga software such as the Photoshop. Okay, so nagsimula po ako, guys, I have only a little knowledge on Photoshop, but as time goes by na marami na akong mga clients na nagpapa-print or nagpapa-layout, natutunan ko rin siya, guys, by also with the help of videos, YouTube videos like this. After ng thorough research mo and acquire mo na yung knowledge on how to print or yung basic knowledge about the softwares, now let's go to my third tip. Ito po ay ang paghahanap ng inyong supplier. So guys, there are many suppliers online, ayan, but I highly encourage you to look for a supplier na malapit lang sa inyo, within your town or within your city, na mapupuntahan mo immediately. Kasi there are times, guys, na mauubusan talaga tayo ng materials such as bond papers, photo papers. Ayan, so pag naubusan tayo, makakapunta tayo doon immediately. Unlike sa online na mag-order pa tayo, tapos i-shipping pa yan, so mas matatagalan ka. So, mas mabuti talaga na makahanap tayo ng supplier na malapit lang sa ating lugar. Okay? And also, one good thing, if you can partner with your supplier, so bibigyan kilala ng discount, of course. Ayan, so makakamura ka, and of course, you will transact with them forever, like forever. Or if you find, mas mura, and I think, guys, it's not the price that matters, but yung quality, okay? So you need to find a supplier na mura, pero quality, okay? That's the good thing to have, partnership with your supplier. So guys, ang paghahanap po ng supplier ay hindi po siya madali, which is yan po yung nangyari sa akin. Nahirapan ako maghanap ng mga supplier. So again, nagpunta po ako sa internet, nag-research ako ng mga suppliers ng printing materials, and ayan, so natagalan ako sa paghahanap dyan, guys. So mostly kasi sa mga printing materials or sa mga supplier ng mga printing materials ay nakalocate po sa Luzon or within Manila. Ayan, nandito po ako sa Mindanao, which is in Cagayan de Oro. Ayan, so wala masyadong mga suppliers dito. So, ayan, nag-research ako, ayan, hanggang nakapunta ako ng Facebook. So, ayan, nag-research ako, guys. One tip lang to, it's also good to use Facebook para makag-research kayo ng mga printing material supplier. So, nagpunta po ako sa Facebook, and since nandito ako sa Cagayan de Oro, tinry ko na i-search yung CDO printing materials or printing business supplier, or ilagay nyo lang yung mga keywords doon, guys, at lalabas na yun siya. So, naghanap ako doon at visit ko yung mga pages, ayan, and finally, I found Piso Prints. Shout out Piso Prints, ayan. So, yan, hanggang nakarating ako sa kanilang page and tiningnan ko na legit yung kanilang mga transactions. And then, finally, visit ko yung kanilang physical store, and there. So, sila po ngayon ang aking suppliers, aking mga materials, like most of all ng aking mga materials na ginagamit ay nagmula po doon sa aking nakitang supplier. So again, guys, mas mabuti talaga na mas malapit sa inyong city or within your city or town lang ang inyong supplier, kasi mapupuntahan nyo ang kanilang store if legit ba or hindi. Kasi sa online, hindi tayo sigurado dyan. Alright? So that's all for supplier. Let's go to our next tip. Alright, so pang-apat po na tip ko ay to find for your location. Ayan, location ng inyong magiging future na business. Ayan. So, guys, there are two types na ating pwedeng magawa when we are looking for a location. Number one is pwede natin gawing online lang, 'di ba? Lalo na ngayong pandemic na nasa bahay lang tayong lahat. So, we can just do online business, which is yan po ang aking unang ginawa. So, first clients ko po ay ang aking mga friends. Yes, mostly Facebook friends. Ayan. So, nagsisell lang ako online sa aking first na pag-try sa printing business. So, of course, yung magiging customers mo, yung mga friends mo din. So, yan, online. So, that's your first choice. Number two is to put on a physical store. So, guys, there are many things na i-consider natin if we are going to have a physical store, because, of course, we need to rent. Kailangan natin ng renta. And also yung mga legal documents, business clearance, business permit, and many, 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 many more. So, those are some of the things na i-consider natin if we are going to put on a physical store. Okay? So, now, based on my experience again, I started online. So, mga customers ko, yung mga friends, and it's good, but it's limited only to your friends on Facebook, okay? But kung masipag ka, meron tayong mga different kinds of groups, ayan. So, kung masipag ka, you can post there, okay? Next is, if mag-physical store ka naman, it will be mas broad yung clients mo, because of course may makadadaan lang, okay, or may mga customers ka na maging loyal kasi you have the store, makikita nila at makakapunta sila sa inyo. So those are some the two things na i-consider nyo when you are thinking of your business location. Yeah. Now, you have the knowledge, you have your supplier, you have your location, nakadecide ka na sa mga tips na binigay ko before. Now, my fifth one is to consider your capital. Okay? Now guys, when we talk about capital, hindi naman kailangan na malaki ay kakapital natin within the printing industry. Kasi you can start small. Just like me, nagsimula po akong maliit lang guys. Pakonti-konti lang. Iniisa-isa ko pagbili yung mga equipment, yung mga materials. You can start small. Okay? If you don't have enough capital to buy all the things, kagaya nitong laminating machine, printers, and you can start small. Isa-isahin lang natin sa pagbili. So, as time goes by, makukompleto din natin siya. So for example, we have only a small amount of capital. Okay, so we can just start with document printing, printing, photocopy. Ganyan guys. So as time goes by, pag nagkakaroon na tayo ng enough money, so we can buy another equipment. Okay, so it's not necessary guys sa printing business na malaki yung inyong ikakapital immediately if wala talaga kayong enough money. But if you have all, yan, kung wala kayong problema sa inyong capital, so you can just buy all the things that you need. So again, you can start small just like me. So based on my experience, nagsimula po ako ng printing business at ang aking first na product ay yung t-shirt guys. So hindi muna ako nagsimula sa mga document printing or lamination, gano'n. Nagsimula ako sa printing business kasi yan muna yung aking in-offer first sa aking mga Facebook friends if magki-click ba siya. So, fortunately, ayan, may mga nag-order sa akin, mga relatives and friends. That's why nakabili ako ng other equipment for another type na po ng printing business. Okay? After nung first na aking product, which is ang t-shirt, ay expand ako into another kind of printing. Gumawa ako ng mga stickers, product labels, and so on. So, sunod-sunod na yun, guys. So, binili ko siya ng paisa-isa. Ayan. So hanggang sa nabili ko most of the things that I need para mapalaki natin yung ating printing business. So, ayan, na-consider na natin lahat ng ating mga kailangan, knowledge, supplier, location, and we have our capital, and we are now ready. Ayan, so number 6 na aking ibibigay sa inyo na tip ay about sa execution. So, na-consider na natin yung ating mga kailangan para makasimula tayo sa ating printing business and ready na yung ating capital. So, number 6 na tip ko po ay yung ating execution. So, sa pag-execute po ng ating mga plans, guys, ay may halong kaba talaga yon. So, don't you worry, guys. Huwag kayong kabahan. Ayan. So, simulan na natin yung pag-execute ng ating mga planos. Bibili na tayo ng mga materials and I want you to make sure na quality materials. So, price over matter, guys. So, we need to look for those things na magagamit natin for a long period of time, okay? Especially for the printers and sa materials na ating gagamitin. So guys, when we execute our plans, don't be shy to ask for help with other people, mga kapatid mo, mga friends mo, to, of course, i-promote yung business mo or to ask help from your family na i-prepare yung mga kailangan mo. And don't be shy na mag-ask ng kanilang mga opinions sa inyong mga future products. Ayan. So, that's the last one na aking ibibigay na tip for today's video. And I am hoping, guys, na meron kayong natutunan kahit konti and nakakuha kayo ng idea on how to start your printing business. That's all for today's video and I am hoping that you can apply some of the tips na binigay ko po sa inyo at sana'y makatulong at nakapagbigay ako ng impormasyon sa inyo on how to start your printing business. So on my next video ay pag-uusapan naman natin ang mga materials at mga equipment na ating kailangan para makapagsimula tayo ng printing business. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel para updated ka if may mga bago akong upload about sa printing business tutorials and tips. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I am hoping to see you on my next video. Goodbye and have a great day. 再见。